Ready to take your leadership game to the next level? Meet iLead, the channel that turns leadership learning into an energizing, everyday adventure.
iLead covers everything from powerful communication skills to innovative problem solving, breaking down complex topics into quick, fun explainer videos anyone can fit into their day.
With iLead, you can refresh your skills or discover new ideas anytime, anywhere. Whether you're commuting, between meetings, or just have 2 minutes to spare, leadership learning is always within reach.
Designing a leadership program or just looking to deepen your understanding, iLead's expert insights make it easy to grasp leadership theory, concepts, and principles fast.
Jumpstart your leadership journey today. Subscribe to iLead and let's grow, learn, and lead together. Your best leadership self is just one video away.